one thing about Venn diagrams or negation that you're going to want to know about is basically just how or and the words and affect the picture and what they actually mean. So if I draw the universal set of A and B, the word or means basically A or B means everything in A and everything in B. So you can have your choice of going with everything in A or everything in B. So therefore the word or means that every element in A and every element in B. But don't get confused with the word and, because and means something completely different. The word and here means everything that's in A and is also in B. So and here is and is also. Think of it that way. So what is in A? What's in A is all of this stuff around here. And what's in B? All of that stuff. But what's in A and what's in B is just this stuff. So those are really the two differences that you need to know at this point between or and and.